When you're learning the ropes of pure breed hustling, the language encompassing the sport can end up confounding. Whereas anybody can figure out that Grade 1 or Group 1 race speaks to the apex of the where, it's very difficult to tell what the contrast is between a listed handicap and a heritage handicap. Exceptionally troublesome to tell what the difference is between a listed handicap and a heritage handicap. With this in intellect, we've put together this basic direct-to-horse racing classes and grades to assist you to get a handle on how pure breed races are classed and ranked. Why races are classified. Sometime recently getting into how races are classified, it is accommodating to get it why they are partitioned into diverse grades, groups, and classes within the to begin with place. The reason is very basic, the classification of races was put input to guarantee those steeds of a comparable capacity race against each other and to guarantee that particular quality guidelines are met at each level of classification. The framework of classifying races too permits racing authorities over regions and countries to coordinate the arranging and planning of particular races. Usually done to endeavor to guarantee that the finest quality horses are free to compete within the biggest conceivable choice of races, which is especially vital in top-class races. Flat racing is partitioned into 7 classes of race, with pattern and listed races positioning at the beat of the class framework, whereas low-rated handicappers prop up the classification framework in Class 7. Class 1 races. Group races, moreover known as pattern races, speak to the first-class level of pure breed racing. These speak to a little minority of all races run each year and are resplit into 3 levels. Group 1 races are the upmost level of races open to horses of different age groups. These get broad exposure, pay out the biggest prize reserves, and a few are considered dashing occasions of worldwide significance. Regularly steeds in these races will carry the same weights, permitting immaculate quality to sparkle through. In any case, a determination of these races, such as the Melbourne Container, Force Age, and Execution Weight finds. Group 2 races are the level underneath Group 1 races. These occasions can still draw best appraised racehorses, and it's not abnormal for horses to fulfill in both Group 1 and Group 2 events amid a season. Group 3 races tend to draw in somewhat lower appraised racehorses, but can moreover be utilized as trial occasions by winner racehorses or as venturing stones to races with higher classifications. Listed races moreover drop inside Class 1 of flat racing. Whereas they by and large pull in lower appraised racehorses, quality horses are still known to fulfill in these as they construct their careers and make strides their appraisals on the way to group racing. Class 2 to 7 races handicaps are utilized to direct the rank and record of horse racing that occupy the 6 other classes of the flat racing pyramid. Weights are relegated to horses by official handicappers, sometime recently races based on an assortment of factors such as age, sex, and later exhibitions. Usually done to create each race as competitive as conceivable. To form the handicappers work simpler, these races are subdivided into 7 classes that are confined to horses inside particular racing groups. 1. Class 1 applies to listed handicap races, which are open to horses with ratings over 96. 2. Class 2 handicaps for horses rated between 86 and 110 and include Heritage Handicap races. 3. Class 3 handicap races for horses rated between 76 and 95. 4. Class 4 handicaps for horses rated between 66 and 85. 5. Class 5 handicaps for horses rated between 56 and 75. 6. Class 6 handicaps for horses rated between 46 and 65. 7. Class 7 is for horses rated 0 to 45. Classes 2 to 6 are assist subdivided into 14 points racing bands, which cover and recognize between higher and lower quality races in each class.